Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Desarae, and today we are doing a wig review. I have a headband wig. I have the, one second. So I have this wig right here. This is a human hair deep wave wig. This is 20 inches. This wig comes with 3 combs at the top to secure, and then there's a comb at the bottom, and then there's straps at the bottom throughout the wig as well. So this is the color. Color is popping. It is a 1B at the root area, and then it goes to this 1B. So I'm going to go ahead, try her on. So if you're interested in this review, keep on watching. And if you are new to my channel, subscribe. And also to my return subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. Let's jump right into it.
I chose to put the same amount of effort into you like you do with me. I chose to put the...
Alright y'all, so I have this wig on. So first I want to jump into the deets on this wig. If you do decide to get this wig, it's gonna throw you off, because when you first get it, it is not gonna be this poofy and voluminous. It's gonna be, the curls are gonna be like kind of stuck together. So all you gotta do is just comb it out and spray it with a water bottle that you can get from your local beauty supply store, and voila girl, like, here you go. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a 360, and then I'm gonna finish giving you guys the deets and all that good jazz. So this hair is 20 inches. It is a deep wave. This is a 1B / burgundy or 99J. I believe it's burgundy, but I will have a link in the description box if you do decide to get her. This wig, I believe I only paid, I think $80, the price for when I had bought this wig. This wig, I had it for about a month or so. So yeah, this wig is really popping. I really love the color, and I also like how full it is. Like when you get it, you're not gonna think it's gonna be this full, but I got you covered. So this is gonna fairly be a quick review, because headband wigs are like don't take that long to review, y'all. So as you can see, let me go ahead and push this back, y'all. I like to wear my headband wigs a little bit pushed back to where you can see my edges and stuff, because to me it looks more natural that way. So let's jump into the texture. I believe this is Brazilian hair. This is a deep wave. I did wear this hair probably once or twice, and I did not notice any shedding. This is a 150 density. It is very full. You can also get this up to, I believe, 26 inches. I was being cheap around that time, so you know, this is good for me. The longevity on this wig, I really think this will last you like at least a year or so, because like it's a low maintenance wig. You just keep it moisturized, style it, and you know what, you're good to go. There's no plucking a lace, none of that. It's just strap it on and go. So like I said, this is going to be a fairly quick video. So on that note, if I did leave out anything, please leave it in the description box, and if I remember that I did leave out anything, I will have all the information in the description box. So thank you so much, girl, for tuning in, and I appreciate it, and I see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.